Cheers, mates. Let's play AI to send this BFA 306 engine to Pakistan. I was wondering how heavy is it, and I did ask AI. It said, I don't know. You have to ask Sip. So the overall conclusion of these engines, it's just don't stick to 244. It's perfectly fine. Do not put the hassle on you to build a 306 engine. Oh. 41.4 kilo with the box and the engine. Put in the MRP 30mm manifold. This is the rate. The answer, dear AI here, 32 kilos is a BFA 306 engine, the MRP 30mm manifold.